Josh Fell and Script 1 tithing.
Are you upset about something?
I guess I was kind of sad yesterday.
What was it?
I was $1.50 short to get the Verminoids video game yesterday.
You were mad that it cost so much?
No, it was okay. I tithed on Sunday. I gave $3 to the church, and because of that, I can't afford the game.
Giving to the church is an important thing to do.
I know, but sometimes I don't understand why. How is $3 going to make any difference? The church can't support a missionary or build a new building or pay the pastor's salary with $3. You can't even get a cup of coffee for $3.
You drink coffee?
I get that adults should tithe. Adults make tons of money. They can make a big difference. Why should kids do it? Script 2, gum. Want some gum?
No thanks.
I beg your pardon? Did you say no thanks? It's gum.
Yeah, I know. No thanks.
Why? Don't you want some?
I don't chew gum.
What's wrong with gum?
I don't like it.
You're kidding. Why don't you like it?
I don't like the taste.
That's okay. Chew more gum and you'll get used to the taste.
I don't want to get used to it. No thank you.
I can't believe you.
What?
Jacob said you were like this, but I didn't believe him.
The other kids are talking about this?
Yep. When's the last time somebody invited you over to their house?
It's been a while.
Uh-huh. Just as I suspected.
I don't get invited to people's houses because I don't chew gum.
Nobody likes to say it, but it's true.
I had no idea.
If you want to have friends, you do what they do.
Chew what they chew?
Now you got it, unless of course you don't want to be like everyone else. I'm sure there are others out there like you, fellow non-chewers, but nobody ever invites them over.
You really think it's that important?
Take a look around. Who do you want to be like? Those with gum or without? So let me ask again, want some gum?